discussing about how to return a value from a method. Returning a value from a method. A method returns to the code that invoked it when it completes all the statement in the method, reaches a return statement, and or throws an exception. Whichever occurs first, it returns the code. Declaring a method. You declare a method's return type in its method declaration. Within the body of the method, use the return statement to return the value. Any method declared void doesn't return a value. It does not need to contain a return statement, but it may do so. In such cases, return statement can be used to branch out of a control flow block and exit the method, and is simply used like this: return. If you try to return a value from a method that is declared void, you will get a compile time error. Any method that is not declared void must contain a return statement with a corresponding return value like this: return and then return value. If we want to return anything in our method, then we use the return keyword. Let's see an example how to utilize the return in a method. About how method return a variable. First of all, we can create a class, public class return method, and inside the class we can create a method that is double result, and it is a parameterized method, so it should return some value because it takes double as a return type, and double A double B. And inside the method we just use a variable double sum is equals to 0 and assign the value a plus b divided by 2.0, and in return the statement below we return sum. So return sum will return the value of sum that is assigned inside the sum variable. So in this way we can return the statement from a method. And then inside the public static void main, first of all we create an object of the class, that is return method a is equals to new return method, and then with the help of object reference we can use the result for 5.5 and 6.5. As it returns some value, so it should be compulsory to store some variable in the return value, or we can say that it should be stored in some variable, or we can just simply write system.out.println a.result. In both the ways we can store the return method. Just save it and let's execute it. We are already in the file. Let's execute it. Java Zavac return method dot java. Hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java return method. See, it will give the answer 6.0. So the return statement is used to return any value in a Java, and return statement is something that is behind the access modifier, so we can use double return value, so it return the value in a double form, and you can see that it returned a value 6.0 which is in the double form. So in this way we can utilize the return in a method. Thank you.